Oh no, it looks like rain, Sparky. It's like a raindrop ballet. Each drop has its own dance. In rainy day adventures, the main things are a colorful raincoat, bouncy rain boots, and a friendly umbrella, making every drop of rain a chance for fun.
Woof, woof. Why does it rain, friend?
Let's find out in this magical book. Rain appears when tiny drops of water in clouds come together, get too heavy, and fall down from the sky like a cozy blanket of water. Rainy days are perfect for indoor activities, like playing with toys, cleaning the house, cooking your favorite food, learning lessons, reading books, and even dancing. And when the rain goes away and the sun comes out, it shines on those raindrops, and they start to make a beautiful rainbow, full of all the colors. It's like nature's way of saying, "Hello, I'm here, and I bring you a colorful surprise." Who says rainy days can't be fun? It's a puddle symphony, Sparky! Kids adore jumping in puddles with joy after the rain. Rain helps plants grow big and strong. It's like nature's big drink, helping them grow and stay happy. Remember, rain is not always boring. You can have lots of fun indoor and outdoor, and rain helps nature stay healthy and happy too.